In today's video, I am going to talk about the health benefits of eating fenugreek seeds for an upset stomach. In this video, I am going to share a very simple and easy to make Asian-style fenugreek meal remedy for a sensitive and upset stomach. Using this fenugreek stomach upset recipe very often will surely help you give strength to your sensitive stomach. Let's make our potato and fenugreek mix home remedy. To make this fenugreek stomach upset remedy, we need 1/2 kilo of fresh fenugreek leaves, 250 grams of small new crop potatoes, 250 grams of onion. Here's how to make this remedy. Heat oil in a pan. Add fenugreek, onion and potato together. Add 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon finely chopped chili, and salt to taste. Let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, when the water starts to dry, fry it. But do not fry so much that all the water dries. Fenugreek upset stomach remedy should be juicy when eaten. Eat this delicious fenugreek and potato remedy twice a week and all your upset stomach problems will go away. And that's it for today's video. Watch these videos to learn more about how to live a healthy lifestyle by eating right. If you like this video, consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any updates.